Are you looking for the best racing wheels in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best racing wheels that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Logitech G920 Driving Force Racing Wheel for the entry-level racer. I'm going to recommend the Logitech G920 or G29. Either will do, because they're basically the same wheel. The former is for the Xbox, the latter for the PlayStation, and both are PC compatible. If you're only doing iRacing and the like on the PC, you can go with either. But I will say the Logitech wheel has more buttons and knobs, making it the slightly better choice. It's a minor difference, though. Either way, you're getting a well-built racing steering wheel with primarily metal construction and a stitched leather wrapping. The 900 degrees of wheel rotation will handle anything short of a big rig racing simulator. And the force feedback is perfectly adequate. There are a few shortcomings. For one thing, the wheel diameter is less than 10.5 inches. Meaning this racing wheel feels somewhat toy-like compared with the real thing, or, indeed, some of the later wheels I'll mention. The bigger problem, however, is with the pedals. The brake pedal uses a potentiometer, a means of digitally detecting the degree of rotation. Potentiometers work well for the throttle and clutch pedal, but the hydraulic brakes in a real car work not based on how far you press the pedal, but how hard. Since potentiometers only measure movement, accurately modulating the brakes can be a challenge. Logitech attempted to replicate the feel of a load cell by limiting the travel of the brake pedal, but if anything, that just reduces precision. Up next in the 4th place is the Hori Racing Wheel Overdrive for Xbox One. For $100, it's surprising to see just how much racing bang you get for your buck when you ditch an Xbox controller and adopt Hori's Overdrive steering wheel. Granted, this is one peripheral that won't be offering force feedback like an Xbox controller can. And there are no plush leather materials on the wheel, but it does focus on providing a solid racing experience on Xbox at this price point. An adjustable dead zone comes in handy. Up to 4 profiles can be saved on it. The face buttons can be programmed to suit your needs, and sensitivity for the turn ratio can be changed from 270 degrees to 180 degrees on the fly. Even better, the steering wheel is also compatible with Windows 10 PCs, providing some extra multi-platform value in the process. One thing worth mentioning though is that Hori's steering wheels tend to favor smaller-sized hands. So if your appendages are a bit on the meaty side, you might want to look at other options. Still, if you're on a budget and looking to stretch your cash as far as possible, you'll likely be surprised with what Hori has to offer. The 3rd product on our list is the Thrustmaster TMX Force Feedback Racing Wheel for a few dollars more. The TMX Racing Wheel is a reliable mid-range racing wheel option, while the pedals may leave much to be desired when it comes to putting your foot on the gas. The wheel itself is a sturdy piece of hardware that has bone-rattling force feedback, 900 degrees of rotation, and flappy gear paddles that emit a cathartic click whenever you change gears in one of the many exciting racing games available on Xbox. A 12-bit sensor setup that is capable of differentiating up to 4,096 steps in the wheel's position gives it plenty of nuanced space for taking corners, making for exciting jolts of energy with the internal rumble motors on just about any racing game that you play. Second on our list is the Logitech G Dual Motor Feedback Driving Force G29. 5 years after it first went on sale, and Logitech's dual motor G29 is still one of the best pieces of racing kit that the brand has ever produced. Looking like a premium accessory that was stripped straight from a Formula 1 car, the G29 is ergonomically exquisite and has a number of impressive controls tailored just for the PS4, which naturally work well with the PS5 console. It does show its age with some noisy force feedback, and its turning radius could be better. But the G29 scratches a mid-range itch that doesn't leave your bank account in the red. There's no shortage of great racing games on both of Sony's current PlayStation consoles right now either. So now's a great time to take that passion for the genre to the next level. Finally, the top product on our list is the pxnv 3i 180-degree Universal USB Car Sim Race Steering Wheel. Some people want versatility with their racing wheels, comfort in the knowledge that they can plug it into any device they have, sit down, and start throwing a digital replica of $1 million Ferrari around corners with reckless abandon. The pxnv 3i is that wheel. And for people who prize plug-and-play comfort above everything else, this wheel is more than up to the task. Compatible with PC, PlayStation, and Xbox, this racing wheel can easily be used for a few laps in Forza Horizon, set up for a circuit in Gran Turismo Sport, and then moved on over to a PC for a tour of Europe in a truck simulator game. Throw on a headset, and the immersion feels complete. A jack-of-all-trades option with an attractive price tag. The pxnv 3i's greatest strength is its sturdy construction and reliable nature. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.